No form of media for the building and real estate industries is as effective and as beneficial as 3D visualization. Whether a simple still rendering or a complex animation, 3D visualization offers numerous advantages over all other forms of media. And thanks to the progress of software and computer power in recent years, you can now take full advantage of this cutting-edge technology at very affordable prices. 3D visualization offers distinctive advantages over all other forms of media. You can enhance marketing by giving viewers an eye-catching view of a project in multiple views and in multiple types of lighting. You can reduce bidding by enabling contractors to understand projects better and take the guesswork out of bidding. You can save time and money by identifying design flaws and poor color schemes. You can increase your chances to win government approval and improve communication between everyone involved in a project. Finally, you can improve curb appeal with the elegance and artistry that comes with a well-crafted visualization. Need aerial imagery? We can superimpose your 3D project into aerial photography, giving your project a whole new perspective. Need custom furniture for your interiors? Provide us images of what you want and where you want it to go, and let us do the rest. Need a high level of detail? Our models are meticulously crafted and include every detail specified in an architectural drawing. Nothing is overlooked. Before a 3D visualization project can begin, some important questions must first be addressed. These questions help determine the overall cost of creating 3D visualization and what is needed before work can begin. For example, what will be the scope of the project? An animation, still rendering, or perhaps interactive web graphics? What will be seen? Exterior views, interior views. What is the level of detail needed? Will custom furniture be required? What is the project's timeline, and when is the drop-dead date for completion? When will all required data be provided, and will there be any revisions? To begin a 3D project, the only other data typically required are floor plans, elevations, a site plan, and, as necessary, building sections. When starting with CAD drawings, we begin the creation process by taking all available data and discarding that which is not needed. We begin the modeling process by importing the CAD data into our 3D animation software. We build structures in our software, much like they are built in the real world. We start with a foundation, build walls, insert doors and windows, add a roof, place trim features, and so on. Next, we texturize our models using actual photographs from the material samples our clients provide or images we take ourselves. And then we say, let there be light. By carefully placing light sources throughout our scenes, we add the final ingredients needed for photorealism. With our 3D software, we are able to achieve true photometric lighting and exact shadow simulation. We can show you what your interior scene looks like when lighted with 5 65-watt light bulbs, or what your exterior scene looks like at 3:41 p.m. in Miami. When a project calls for animation, we must place cameras in our scenes as we would in the real world. Capturing the project from just the right angle is critical in creating the desired atmosphere and showing all of the key elements. In this video, you can see a line displaying the path the camera will follow to capture the sequence of images necessary to create an animation. Once a project is underway, there are certain changes that can be made at little to no extra cost, and some changes that could require extensive work and additional cost. If changes are made to window types, site design, or wall heights, additional costs are usually required because of the number of steps that must be completed to make the change. Changes to things like floor coverings, wall colors, or Photoshop touch-ups, on the other hand, can usually be made at little or no additional cost, depending on the number of times these changes are requested. Perhaps most appealing is the ability to change a camera view without having to start all over again from scratch, as you would have to with a hand-rendered image. Whether your design is commercial or residential, large or small, we can provide you a perfect glimpse into the future of your project. We invite you to explore our work and hope you will choose to go 3D and consider us for your next project.